All right. So another way to answer the problem we just did, which was asking the number of I think it was, what was it? Males surveyed and the number of females in basketball, is to first create what's called a relative frequency table. So what you do for a relative frequency table is you take the number of males or the number 30 and you divide it by the total. So we do 30 divided by 180, which if we do in that calculator, I think we said that was what, 0.167? Let me double check. 30 divided by 180. So it has a relative frequency of 0.167. The math club is 0 there. So 0 out of 180 equals 0. For the band, we would take the 8. We divide that by 180. What do we get here? 8 divided by 180 gives us approximately 0.044. And then who was not involved? Well, that would be 50 out of 180, which equals 0.278. For our total, we know there were 98, so we would do 98 divided by 180, and that equals 98 divided by 180 equals our 0.544. Now we're going to do the same exact thing for females. So for females, we're going to do 12 over 180. Let's see what that equals. 12 divided by 180 equals 0.067. Then we're going to do 26 divided by 180. Let's see, that equals 0.144. And then we got, let's see, 14 out of 180. 0.078. And then we got 30 out of 180, which we already did. We know that is equal to 0.167. And lastly, we would do 82 out of 180, which will equal what? 82 divided by 180 is 0.456. Okay, we can also do the total column to find their relative frequency. So 42 out of 180. We can do 36 out of 180. And I'm just going a little bit quicker because I know we're running out of time with a 5-minute limit. And then 80 out of 180. And what this does for us is it can help us answer the same exact questions. So what percent of students surveyed are male? Well, we know that just by looking here now because we already did our relative frequency. We know our answer is 0.544, which is 54.4%. And then what percent of students surveyed are females in basketball? Well, that's this column here in green, where we can say that this is 0.067, which is 6.7%. So it's just another way to view the same problem.